welcome back to my channel and to a new video. I hope you're well and having a lovely day. If you're new here, my name is Nicola and I make lifestyle videos, and I'm back after a very short break. I had this horrible chest infection thing that's been going around and doing the rounds. So if you've had it, then I sympathise with you because it has been horrendous, really horrible. So if you've got it, then I hope you feel better soon. Sorry, I'm changing the light here. Here we go. If you've had it, then I'm sorry, me too. It was really weird. I was absolutely fine. The kids had it. Phoebe had nasty chest infection just before Christmas, and then she was better. Archie got it straight after, like the 27th, I think, but he had full-blown cold and cough and just really poorly. And then I think around the 29th, my mum came for a couple of days, and then I took her home, and as I was taking her home, I was coughing quite a bit. And then I was fine, I just had a cough and didn't really come to anything. And then the following weekend, we went to London for the weekend, which was a lovely gift that my work had given to me for my birthday. Went to see Moulin Rouge, which was incredible, and had a hotel for the night, and I was so ill. I was really poorly, which was such a shame because it was such a lovely treat. I mean, still enjoyed it, but yeah, it wasn't quite what it should have been, but hey ho, never mind. And yeah, I've just been on antibiotics and steroids and what have you since. So I had a week off last week because, excuse me, didn't think I'd be able to film anything without coughing. So I'm back with a B&M haul, and we'll address this elephant in the room. This horrendous thing that sat behind me. This is actually a prop for Phoebe's character solo for her new character dance. So character is like, if you've never had a child that does dance, character is basically you play a character. It's generally ballet inspired, but it doesn't have to be, and you play a character, and she's playing the Wicked Queen from Snow White, Ravenna I think it is, and that's the mirror on the wall. I've got to take out the mirror, actually replace it with like I've got a sticky, who is it, this stuff, a sticky mirror to go on, because obviously you can't have real glass on stage, and it makes it very heavy as well, so I've got to do that tomorrow. So yeah, that's stuck in here for now. But anyway, I've got B&M haul for you. I went in, actually didn't really get what I went in for. I came out with a bag full of stuff, you know, usual. So yeah, I've got a big bag and full of all sorts of bits, and some other bits on top as well. So it's mostly organisation and cleaning. What I went in for was a couple of car scrapers. And they did have one. They had like a luxury one with a glove and everything. I don't really want that. I just wanted a really good car scraper, and they didn't have any, because I would have got the luxury ones, but they were like £5 each, and I'm like, I just could get a car scraper for like 50p or something. So I didn't get that. However, what I did get was a load of stuff for organising and cleaning, which is what we are doing this weekend. We've eventually got all of our Christmas decorations down. I've just noticed my Christmas cushion on my office chair, so I need to get rid of that. I think that's just about it though. I need to change pictures and stuff which still have Christmassy pictures in, but yeah, we're just trying to get the house straight this weekend, because obviously I was ill and we were away most of last weekend, and then back to work, and so it's been quite hard to get everything sorted and done basically. But that's the plan for this weekend. So there were some things that I needed, so that's what I went to B&M for. So let's dive in. So first of all, I got 2 of these. Now, over the years in my B&M hauls, I think I must have got about 20 of these stupid flipping caddies for putting your shower gel and stuff in the shower, and none of them ever work, with the suckers on the back, and they stick to the wall for like a day, and then they all fall off in the middle of the night. So at the moment we've got one which is stuck to the wall, but it's stuck to the wall on the floor, which is fine, it doesn't fall off, it's great, like right at the base of the shower, and if it does, it just drops on the floor, so it's not like falling from a height. However, it's really then hard to clean underneath it, and then when you take it off, it's all mould and horrible underneath, so it's not ideal. So I saw these, in fact I saw 2 different ones, some that are a little bit fancier looking, I suppose, and they also had suckers on the back here and here, and they were £10 each, and I put them in my trolley, and then I was just going down the last aisle, which had like all the special buys in, and they had these, which are exactly the same but without the suckers. And to be honest, the suckers are crap anyway, so I don't really need them. And these are £5 each. So I thought, well, that's going to be exactly what I need. It's got a hook at the top. This is obviously an upside down. You take it out and put it back in the other way, I presume. But that will then hang from the cistern thing, not the cistern, you know, the shower attachment, and hang underneath, and mean that we can put all our shower gels and shampoos in there and they won't be clogging up the floor or making a mess. So I got one for the main bathroom, and I also got one for the ensuite. So that's really good. Happy with those. Then I'll just dive in. Oh no, the other thing I got here was a new doormat. £3, can't go wrong. £3 for a doormat. I've currently got my gingerbread one outside still, so that can go in the bin now, and I shall replace it with that. It's a shame you can't wash them really, because the gingerbread one is fine, it's just filthy dirty, and I'm not going to want to put that back out next year at Christmas. So can you hear that? If you can hear that, that's Andrew taking the dog hair off the stairs. He's currently hoovering. Right, so yeah, it's a shame you can't wash mats, but you can't, so there we go. Right, let's go through the bits that I got. Most of the things have got, my brain's gone today. Most of the things have got prices on, but if they haven't, I will find them on here. This has not. So this was £1.49, and it's a 3-pack of the Elbow Grease Magic Erasers. Now, I don't really rate these, it's all they had, so I got some because I needed some, but actually the proper magic erasers are so much better. These will do the trick. I just need to get in the grout in the shower, but these are fine, but I would rather have had the real ones. But £1.49. I got 2 packs of these. Now these were £3.75 each, and they're these scent, cotton fresh scent things. I put them in the bathrooms, and I love them actually. I think they smell fab. We had really nice ones at Christmas time, and they last quite a long time. It says 100 days. So yeah, I have one of these in each bathroom now, and I thoroughly recommend those. I picked up some Fairy Liquid, which was 95p, and then some shampoo and shower gel, shampoo and conditioner, which I meant to get this morning when I did my food shop, and I forgot. I've been using the Dove, which actually I really like, but they didn't have any of that, so I got the Pantene, and this is the Repair and Protect, and then the Bond Repair. Oh, is that actually? Oh yeah, it's conditioner. For a minute I thought it wasn't conditioner. So yeah, I'm intrigued to try those. I think I've tried them before actually. £2.70 and Pantene. £4.79. Okay, I shall be using that sparingly. £4.79 for the Bond Repair conditioner, so I shall put that to one side, out of the way of other people who use my conditioner. Jeez. Right, that'll teach me to look at the price. Okay, I also bought some of this, which was £1.49, I think, £1.29, which is the Wood Silk beeswax furniture polish. Definitely need to do some polishing. Don't polish very much, but everything's very dusty and grubby after Christmas, so everywhere's going to have a good polish, and I thought that would probably smell quite nice actually. Oh, very fresh. So yeah, that's that. I got some Ever Ready light bulbs, because we've a light bulb gone out upstairs on the landing, and they were £4 for 3. They're the LED ones, so they last forever. I bought a new dustpan and brush. I bought a dustpan and brush, I think, in my last B&M haul. It's disappeared. I have a feeling it's in the gym, because Andrew was sweeping leaves and I think he swept them, but anyway, I couldn't find it, so I bought another one, and that was just £1.50. Always good to have a spare anyway. Then I bought some of this Flash floor cleaner. This is what I use in my Bissell, which is, I mean, the Bissell says you're supposed to use the Bissell cleaner. I haven't used the Bissell cleaner, like liquid, for years. For a long time, and it's absolutely fine. So I use this one, which is the Pet Safe Flash, and it smells really nice as well, and that was £1.99, a fraction of the price of the Bissell. I got these 2 milk chocolate sticky puds, not for me unfortunately, but for Phoebe. She loves a lava cake, as she calls them, and these were £1.49 for 2, which actually is really good, because I've been buying ones in Tesco, just the Tesco ones, and they're like £3.50. So these are proper Cadbury ones, £1.50. So I've got 2 of those. I will not be taking in those. In fact, the silver lining to every illness, isn't it, that you lose a bit of weight? I've lost just over half a stone in the last week, and I have been eating, but not very much. Like, I've not had much of an appetite at all. I've gone off coffee completely, which is saving me a fortune. I did want to try and cut back on going to Starbucks and going to Costa, and I haven't been for over a week now, and I probably used to go 3 or 4 times a week, so that's really good. I'm sure I'll get my desire for coffee back, but right now it's completely non-existent, so that's great. And yeah, I've been having very small meals, and felt full very quickly, so that's really good, because it's given me a nice kickstart to what I had intended to achieve in January. So I haven't even had to join the gym yet, so that's really good. I mean, I wouldn't recommend it. I'd rather have had, well, would I? I don't know. It's quite an easy way to lose weight, isn't it? Anyway, that's by the by. Right, so yeah, chocolate puddings. I also bought some tomato soup, 4 cans of tomato soup. I meant to get some of these at the supermarket this morning as well, and forgot, so I picked those up. And these are Heinz, where are you? There you are. These were 3.75. £3.75, and I've given you the wrong price for these. These are £4.49 each. That's expensive, but they last quite a while. Yeah, £3.75 for these. So I love a tomato soup. You can't beat a tomato soup, and Phoebe loves it too, with a nice sausage roll on the side. Then I bought some dog treats. These are £1 each. These are the Wag ones. Not their favourites, but good for, their favourites are expensive, so these are good for tiding us over. I got the steaklets, which are the steak bites. I got the sausage and mash, which they love, and then these are the apple pie flavoured treats. So they will enjoy those on their walks. And then also for the dogs, I picked up one of these filled bones. They both love these, and I had one left. I bought a load a month or so ago, and they'd had them, and then I'd thrown the old ones away, and then there was one in the box where we keep all the treats, so I gave it to Buddy yesterday, and Bungo just looked at me as if saying, "Where's mine? Where's mine?" But the thing is, if I give one to him as well, Buddy tends to steal it anyway. So I just got him one today, and then I got Buddy this, which is an antler. So this one, these are quite good value actually, these filled bones. Nash and Nor, they are £1 for those. And then the antler, that was $6.99, so that was quite expensive, but Buddy will get through. Like, the yak chews are supposed to last your dog like forever, and Buddy can get through an entire yak chew in less than a day. He's got big teeth, and also at the end when they chew it's not very good. He tends to be sick quite often because they can't digest the last little bits. So I thought I'd try this and see if he enjoyed that instead, but that was expensive, so we won't be having those too often. And then last but not least, I picked up 2 new baskets. These were £4 each, I think, or £5 each, and these are for our main bathroom. So we have a basket. Phoebe and Archie have a basket each for all their toiletries and stuff, and Phoebe's is overflowing and actually probably needs emptying of stuff, and she's got one that's like it was an old White Company one that I got a gift in, and then Archie has another one that was a spare from another bathroom. They don't match, so I thought actually if I get 2 nice baskets they can have plenty of room for their stuff on top of the unit in the bathroom. I hope they fit. And now I'm looking at them, I'm thinking, oh, I'll make them fit. I did look at, they had a really nice, like a vanity, like a wasn't glass, perspex, like shelf on a stand like this, so one at the bottom and then another one on top, that would have slotted on really nicely, but it looked quite flimsy and I felt that maybe it might fall about, and then I also thought actually all their bits will probably fall over every time they go to pick something up, and it wouldn't work. So actually I thought in a basket everything can just be chucked in, and it might not be the most aesthetic, but at least everything's together in one place. And that is everything that I picked up at B&M. I am going to now go and finish cleaning my bathrooms and put all the shower gels in those caddies, and hopefully keep everything off the floor and reduce the mould in my shower, which is always good. So I hope you enjoyed this haul. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, leave me a nice comment down below, let me know how you are, what you've been up to. I hope you've all had, you know, I think I wished you a Happy New Year and Christmas in my last video, but I hope you had a good New Year anyway, and it seems like ages ago, doesn't it? Everyone's just back to normal now. So yeah, I will be back next week with another video, and I'll see you. Bye.
Than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention.